Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. This week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is new scam alerts. Fraudsters have two more email tricks up their sleeves. Now, most organizations, but not all, have external email indicators such as an E in brackets, or maybe the word external email or the phrase external email or some other indicator in their subject line, or maybe some highlighted text within the body of the email to indicate that that email is from an external sender. Now, for vendor teams, having that external indicator means that they can feel confident that if they didn't see the external email indicator, that it was definitely sent by an internal employee and is not a potential fraud. Well, two things have now eliminated that comfort level. The first one is phishing attempts have been successful over the last pandemic year, and fraudsters are now sending from legitimate email addresses. Again, they have been successful with the increase in fishy emails in gaining login credentials and are sitting in not only your vendor's email, but also your coworkers. Second, fraudsters can now remove, yes, I did say remove, the external email indicator by using CSS code to simply hide the HTML-based warnings placed by a security solution. So what can you do? Well, be like your bank. When you call to ask about your account, do they just tell you, give you that information? No, absolutely not. They ask you questions to confirm your identity. Do the same thing for your vendors and your internal employees. Now, to learn how, watch through to the end of this video, and an authentication vendor master file tip of the week will appear, and you can click on that to learn more. Now, if you would like to learn more information, or if you would like more information on how to combat fraud, please go to my website at debrarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.